everyone, good morning and welcome back again to our YouTube channel. For today's video mga guys, let's have another recipe. It's a kind of a sandwich na pwede siya pang breakfast or snacks. So here are the ingredients: the carrots, of course the cabbage, and the spring onion. So chop lang siya into small pieces guys. And another one is the sliced cheese. And of course, the sliced bread na kinuha yung gitna na part. So, ayun na nga mga guys. In the frying pan, nilagyan ko siya ng oil and then nilagay yung bread. Yes. After that one, you can start na putting your egg. So, para siyang nagpa-fried egg ka lang na meron siyang hulmahan or shaped, di ba? Yun. So, after that, you can season that one with salt and pepper, of course. So, then you can start na putting your ingredients like the cabbage, tapos yung carrots, and of course, the spring onion. Repeat mo lang yung process with the other bread, mga guys. So, for sure, this kind of recipe is amazing. Ako nga nagugulat na, ganito pala yung result niya. So amazing mga guys. So, try this one talaga pag may time kayo siyang gawin. Pero easy lang as long as may ingredients ka na. Napakadaling gawin. At saka, may enjoy kayo sa lasa nito. Promise. Super sarap nito mga guys. And then, after that, you can season again with salt and pepper. Kung gusto niyo medyo maalat. Okay? And then, lagay nyo na yung cheese, yung sliced cheese niyo. Yes. At tapos, yung part na kinuha sa bread, pwede nyo siyang ilagay ulit. And then, you can press it. Yeah, para magmukhang one bread lang talaga sila. Then, after that one, feeling nyo okay na yung part na nasa ilalim, you can flip the bread. Yes. Pwede nyo siyang ma-flip mga guys. So, yun yung itsura niya, no? So, I guess, yun nga, okay na siya. Pwede na siyang i-flip. Ayan. Promise mga guys, sobrang sarap nito. Hindi kayo magsisisi sa recipe na to. Ayan. So, this is the result mga guys. And, slice natin to. And look at what's inside. Yeah, it's so amazing. Yun, makikita mo yung mga feelings na nalagay natin kanina. Yes. O diba, ang gandang tingnan at saka ang dali pang gawin. So, wag na kayong magdalawang isip to try this kind of recipe. It's so nice. So guys, if bago pa lang kayo sa channel ko, pahingi naman po ng favor. Pwede po pa-subscribe and hit the notification bell para ma-notify kayo if may bago akong mga videos na i-upload. Maraming salamat po and thank you for watching for this video po. Salamat po. Bye-bye everyone.